Sophie the Giraffe is really kind of groovy. She stimulates your senses like a well-directed movie. 27, 10, 10 on a Lego stand. Rubber from a factory proudly made in France. Gabriel, your object of affection was born in 61, an exotic new invention. Big black eyes with rust-colored ears. You gaze upon a box whenever she is near. 27, 10, 10 is perfect for your hands. 7 inches tall from head to toe she stands. Gabriel, your party time companion. Whenever she is next to you, your worries are abandoned. I know one day you will be in need of toothpaste. For now your gums give thanks to her texture and taste. Her name is Sophie, she's a giraffe. She's a giraffe. Sophie the Giraffe makes you laugh with her noises. A squeaker to make sounds and high-pitched voices. 27, 10, 10 helps to train your ears. You chew upon her leg, her neck, your problems disappear. Gabriel, your animal acquaintance is sure to help your teeth along so long as you are patient. I know one day you will be in need of toothpaste. For now your gums give thanks to her texture and taste. Her name is Sophie, she's a giraffe. She's a giraffe.
Art's beautiful, but I find science even more beautiful. So let's dive into the science behind this. Most thermochromatic inks are composed of microcapsules. In general, only a couple of microns in size. The microcapsules are composed of three main components. A dye, which gives rise to the color when bound to a developer, and a thermally activated regulator. When the temperature is increased, the developer will bond to the regulator, leaving the dye in an inactive form. It can exist stably like that throughout a range of temperatures, as long as the temperature isn't brought below the cold threshold. In the case of these pens, about minus 10 degrees Celsius. And that's when the developer will once again combine with the dye and then be colored throughout this range of temperatures again. This process can be repeated as many times as you want, and we can always get back to the colored ink in the middle. Possibly to protect a trade secret, Pilot Pens doesn't give out the formula for its microcapsules. However, in most thermochromatic inks, the regulator is a solvent and the developer is a weak organic acid chosen for high temperature dependence of solubility in the solvent used as the regulator. As the temperature increases, the solubility increases to the point that the developer will be fully dissolved above the threshold, and once cooled can stay dissolved as a supersaturated solution until it gets below the colder threshold and the developer comes out of solution to bind with the dye again. In some ways you can think of the dye as a pH indicator, and it's indicating an acidic environment when the developer is forced into close proximity. Now it's your turn. Grab some erasable pens and some paper. Go have some fun while learning something at the same time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, have fun, keep on learning.